Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix a window which will not minimize or maximize here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the problem is when you try to bring up a new window like Chrome. So let me type for Chrome here at the bottom search bar and let me click on the best matched. So let me just double tap to it. So the problem is when you try to maximize or minimize it, it's not working. Okay? Again, when you try to maximize or minimize this window, it's not working. And in order to fix it, we'll be performing a very basic step. Okay? The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please make a right click, scroll up and click on this option called Task Manager, which is next to Terminal Admin. So just tap on it. And the moment you do it, you will be able to bring up the task manager. Here, please proceed at the left pane of that where you can see the processes and the list of options. So if this is not showing, just click on this three lines here. Okay, and you would be able to open the navigation pane, which is this. So from here, you need to proceed with the locating for Windows Explorer. So it might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So by that, please scroll down on the list so that you would be able to find it. So we just have to locate once again. And from here, we can see the Windows Explorer next to System Interrupts. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to make a right click and go with Restart. Yes, we need to restart the Windows Explorer. Once you have restarted it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so try to minimize or maximize again the window. And if it's not working, then we need to move on to our second and last method. Our second and last method is you need to move on to the window that you would like to minimize or maximize with. Okay, so let's say for example, we'd like to minimize or maximize this Google Chrome. So all you need to do is you need to proceed to the keyboard. You would be able to see two shift keys there, a shift key being placed at the left and a shift key being placed at the right. So all you need to do is you need to use the shift key that is being placed at the left. So press and hold it. And the moment you have pressed and hold it, locate here the taskbar. Choose the window that you would like to minimize or maximize with. Please make a right click and from here go with restore. The moment you do it, try to maximize or minimize it. I'm sure it will be working this time on. Okay? So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.